hello, my beautiful people. My bunga people, this one a quick one for Regina. I know say Pikin we know the year word. Pikin we know the year word Regina. Hmm? Regina, I no can know wetin can they do you. Now too much money can they worry you abi, you know, can see wetin you use money do again. Like seriously. Una never notice and say Regina do they lean like say e carry ugi agbe. I don't understand. Regina don lean o, my people, eh? Regina don lean. I know some people now go they say, I wait to see for Regina, but they this that nothing no. But the error where would they see now? Would they talk about? Una no see Regina say e don lean. Regina don dey lean o, my people o, because e don go dey take all those you know, not see wetin e dey smoke now. E don go dey take all those other things wey she no suppose to dey take, because na wetin the other one take that time cha wey come back dey say na so she come begin dey lie say na so she just dey sick o, e get bipolar abi I no know wetin e say e get, all because of this thing wey e dey take na e cause am. Una understand? Now Regina now don still start now to dey take am now. Tomorrow now she go come still dey talk different thing. See Regina now, she don dey lean now, and una see am say I no come know wetin come dey worry Regina o. Abi na because Ned say he wan marry another woman. Abi wetin? I no understand. Because this one wey Regina dey, na no just good, eh? E no just good at all. This one wey she dey now, I no understand really, like seriously. Eh? I no just understand. Regina, all those ones where you want put yourself now, now very very bad thing, like seriously, eh? See the way she can't lean now, when she they take this thing, eh? I don't understand though. What's going to happen to Nana? Now those ones they do big girl be waiting. Now what they do big girl now? Say you must they take all those things. Now you'll take be like big girl. It not gonna make you big girl, my dear. It go only just destroy yourself. You understand? You could just destroy yourself. You know? Like I don't know what did they make una feel say if you they take all those things, now your body go take day okay. No, my dear. It not gonna make your body day okay. It go only just destroy your body. It go only just destroy your body. Because I they see you now, you they smoke the thing like a young girl like you, because say you can't go marry Papa Yoyo, you be small girl. I know say now too much money enter your head. Like you they behave like I be like the way you say they behave, you they help people, yeah. Now that be Regina way we know. But now, I don't understand you again. The one way you come they do now just come like the thing they surprise everybody. Say, what you come over Regina? What you come over her? I been Ned not the fit talk to her again. Like seriously? That one are just to they marry different woman. And she just they do, they go. See what did she talk now? Say all of them know. Say in go do one.
And I liked her. We married within 3 weeks. Wow. Yes. Within 3 weeks. I married all my wives within some period. Okay. I don't believe in dating anybody to marry them. Don't date anybody you want to marry. Marry them. When you marry them, you begin to fall in love from within the marriage. Okay. You know, even in my own culture, as it were, as a kid in the 60s, people, they were not dating. They would marry in arranged marriages, family to family. They choose a wife, and then most girls were expected to be virgins when they get married, and they build a family from there. And because they didn't know each other before they got married, there's a lot of excitement, a lot of learning to do. And but Regina and I is a story that is interesting because before I met her, I didn't know about her. I don't watch movies.
So I didn't know about her.
Never watch movies. I met her the first time when she came to my house with her mother and her siblings because my place in Delta is a tourist place. They came to look around, and I liked her, and that was it. You know. So whether I marry another wife or not, is she knows it can happen.
She knows.
I come from a very polygamous environment myself. I love children, so I want more children. And she knows this, and my other wives, they also know it.
She knows.
So we'll see what happens in the future.
Ma put on go back.
So whether I marry another wife or not, is she knows it can happen.
She knows it can
I
happen.
come from a very polygamous environment myself. I love children, so I want more children. And she knows this, and my other wives, they also know it. So we'll see what happens in the future.
Now they hear my people. He says she knows it can happen. She knows. So not be new thing like say to come marry another woman. I've been at that one. They make Regina come the lean now. I don't understand because he already talking with the man say she knows it can happen. Not be say she don't know. So not be new thing like say now one kind of big deal, you know. So but this one where Regina now can't go they take other drugs now. One can they like they do big girl, you know. Now say she never fair play now. So now she wants start play now. When I see her when they go club now with her name, you know, see the way she they shake her uku, the body they cash her, you know. I was like, this girl. Anyway, small pikin see they worry her, you understand. But all those ones where you want to put yourself now, Regina, not be good thing at all. We have to tell you the truth, not be good thing. You have to stop all those this thing where you they take now. Because the way you come to the lane now, it's not good for eye. It's not good at all, my darling. It's not good. We have to tell you the truth. It's not that good at all. Eh? This one where you want to put yourself now, kind of like the lane. You see what in there talk say Regina. You say Regina and him. Their story na matter will be say not go finish for ground. And a truth, you not go finish for ground, you know. But Regina, you have to really stop this thing that you are taking. It's not good at all. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your body. You know. I know say your mom still go see they try to they talk to you, but you not go want listen. You know. You have to stop and you be more than now. You not be the time where you be small girl. That small girl, I will tell they look you again. No, you don't mature now. You be big girl now on your own. So you have to see the limit some things where you they do. You know. Now just that advice I say, I can't give you because we have to tell you the truth. Really, we love you. Not be say we just like to talk your matter all the time, but it's just that some kind of things what we they see now, it's not good at all. I beg. The way you can't say the lane now, it's not good at all. You have to really like calm down. You understand? So now be the matter of my get people. I say I can't tell you now. Mona see help me shook mat for this one again. No. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Jill. And share this video for me. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.